Lads, this new niche is generating people millions of views. There are literally pages out there that started in January blowing up. And this is all because of some talking food videos. Yeah, the internet never fails to disappoint me. Anyways, for the past 7 days, I've studied these videos, how to make them, how these people are making them go viral. Like, genuinely 8 million views for this brain rot slop video here is ridiculous. No, this should not be getting 8 million views. You know, this is the world we live in. It is crazy times. Anyways, now that AI can pass off like this and look so high quality, you can actually get paid for these videos. So I'm going to show you my full workflow on how I made this video here. I literally made this in under 10 minutes and it's exactly the same quality as that one that did 8 million views. So let's stop the waffle and dive straight into the tutorial. As you can see, this page here on TikTok is called Timeless Tales, has 200,000 followers, and we can literally scroll down to their first video in like one scroll. Like, there's genuinely 30 videos on this page. Now, if we have a look at some of this content, 13 million views, 30 million views again, 7 million views, 4 million views, 1.4 million views. Like, this is insane. Let's look at the most recent one. So this recent one here has got 13.4 million views. This video was posted 3 days ago. Now, that's insane, by the way. 13 million views in 3 days is insane in any niche. This is an AI niche. And the video is over 1 minute long, so you already know it's in the TikTok creativity program. Genuinely just keeps on blowing up. This type of content really, really does work. And it's not just this page. You know, there's tons of pages on Instagram, on YouTube Shorts, all like doing this content. But there are some people doing it completely wrong. Like, I watch the videos and I just think, oh, like, what are you doing? So today I'm going to show you how to do it like this guy, how you can actually do it right to make him captivating so people watch your content, because generally this is like, obviously this is the first big AI niche of 2026, and let's just say we'll definitely start off with a banger. 13 million views in 3 days. Like, I can't get over that. What's this one here? 2.6 million in 4 days. Like, this guy's had back-to-back bangers. Right, anyways, let's talk about how we actually make these. So the first thing I noticed is what this guy's doing here, what's really, you know, making him stand out, is he's getting at pain points. So like, if we watch this video here that did 7 million views.
That treats baldness and hair loss. I help the scalp grow new hair and keep it growing continuously. I have many benefits that will...
He's basically, the hook on this video is basically that an onion will help you grow your hair. Like, that's the hook. And that's a really big pain point because obviously there are a lot of bald men out there in the world. So that is getting loads of people hooked in, like, oh my God, can this help my hair? Can this fix me? And then the video just explains, like, you know, what you need to do this, and like, you know, what other benefits onion juices have. Can't believe we're talking about onion juices in 2026, man. But that's kind of like the philosophy of the page, and that's where a lot of people have been going wrong, is they've just kind of been shooting random facts about food. But no, you want to be hitting pain points.
Stop! Don't throw me away. I'm the banana peel, and I'll give you a recipe you can make with me that's beneficial for your facial skin, and you'll thank me later. I am now...
This one here, the hook is, stop, don't throw me away. Like, there's a banana peel here, and like, you're thinking, why shouldn't I throw away a banana peel? And then all of a sudden it's saying it's going to help your skincare, and you're like, wow, okay, right, where do I sign? People are instantly hooked and they want to know. Obviously, all these videos follow the same effect. You know, they've got like these eyeballs going on. They do happy smile geezers going on here as well. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make these. So then we could just go to like ChatGPT or something and then give it the 2 examples we've just seen. So I've just put a video about onions helping hair loss, a video about banana peels helping skincare. Give me some more ideas like this. So that's basically, we've just give it 2 videos that performed really well, done millions of views, and we just want some more ideas, some more hacks. Rice water for glowing skin, honey and cinnamon for acne, potato slices for dark circles, you know, just weird stuff like this, but all stuff that we can make videos on. There's literally about 20, 30, 40 videos that ChatGPT has just given us here, and all of these are following that formula that I've got that other guy millions of views. So this is the first thing you want to do. I like this potato slices for dark circles. I think that's a big pain point. People are a bit, you know, bit insecure about the dark circles under the skins, and I think that has the potential to reach millions of views. We can also make a potato look, you know, pretty cool. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over to this channel here. I'm going to find a video like this where, you know, it has the eyeballs, it has like the animated character. We're then going to take the snipping tool and snip this image. Now, this is really important that you do this because basically we are going to use this as a reference image to create our own characters. So, you know, it doesn't take us like 1,000 prompts to generate something like this. It has this as a reference so we can easily build the character very, very fast. Then we're going to go over to OpenArt. Now, if you don't know what OpenArt is, it basically just has a bunch of AI tools on one website. So, you know, you don't have to jump from website to website. Super, super handy stuff. You know, I use it in a few of my videos. All you have to do is go to the image section, go over to the actual model, and we're going to choose Nano Banana Pro. Probably heard about Nano Banana Pro right now, but it's absolutely ridiculous at how to create stuff, and it can like reference stuff. Anyways, we're then going to throw in that reference image that we took a snippet of earlier. We're going to make sure that the aspect ratio is 9:16 because that's what we want. We want mobile. And you know, you can just make the resolution 2K, don't cost any extra. So my prompt is make a potato in a similar style to this character and have it in the kitchen being thrown into a bin. Now, we've said to make it in a similar style to that character, so we have the cool animation effect that's going viral, but I've also stole the hook off that other video where the banana peel is getting thrown into the bin, because we're going to use the same thing, and we're going to say don't throw this potato peel away, because you know you can use it for your eyes. So all we then need to do is click generate, and it has generated as something that looks a little bit like this. Now this is cool, it's exactly what we want. It's got that animation, it's got the eyeballs on, and it's made it into a real life character. Exactly what we want for these videos, and he's getting chucked into a bin. Perfect. So we're going to want to go ahead and download this as a PNG just up here, and then we want to just generate a few different styles of this, you know, in like different scenarios. So we can get rid of this reference image that we give it to start off with, because now we've got this, you know, potato one. And then just say make a potato in the similar style to this, have it in the kitchen countertop or something. You know, we're just gonna put it in a few different scenarios, so we can just, you know, keep the clips entertaining, keep them changing, so our story doesn't get boring and people, you know, don't click off the video. We just want this potato in different kitchen scenarios, and maybe we'll do one of like a potato peel on like a face or something. In fact, what we can do is we can check to see what that video did. That did 2.6 million views. This guy's actually cooked here. He's got a person sitting here, and he's like got the banana, rubbing the banana stuff on his face, which that's a really cool idea that we're 100% going to steal. Because honestly, if someone's come up with a viral video, I tell people this all the time, you just need to rework that idea into your video, because it's already performed well. You just need to put your own twist on it, like we're doing here with this potato, and you can have a chance of getting millions of views as well. This is all this is. This is generally what separates, you know, like the people that get 0 views and get stuck in the view jail, and the people that get millions of views. Alright, so for this prompt, I literally said, have this potato give a woman a face massage using a brown creamer. I didn't even use the reference image from the banana doing the massage. I just told it to do that, and look how cool this is. It's got the potato character from before, it's got the brown cream and a woman on, and it's even got this little potato cream massage thing. This is perfect. This is how good Nano Banana Pro is. Like, it generally just does exactly what you want it to do. We've also got the potato just on a kitchen countertop just for another visual. Anyways, you can do this for as many shots as you want and how long you want to make the video. I'm going to actually download all of these clips now. So now that I've downloaded those, I'm going to go over to the video section on OpenArt. I'm going to go image to video, and I'm going to select something called Cling 2.6. Drag the image in. For the first image, it's going to be the potato going into the bin. And now you can make these seconds as long or as short as you want, depending on what you need it to be. So for some clips, you might want to do 10 seconds. For some, you might want to do 5. It really depends on the story you're trying to tell. For this one, we're just having the first shot be a fast shot of the potato falling into a bin, saying don't throw your potato skins away. I've literally put have the potato fall into the bin while saying don't throw me away, I can help with the dark circles under your eyes. Now for this one, it genuinely only needs to be 5 seconds. As you can see here, you can select a voice, so there are like loads of different preset voices that we can actually choose. Now I don't actually like clicking select a voice. I'm just going to tell it to do it in an enthusiastic voice and see what Kling cooks up with. Then all you literally have to do is click create, and then it's going to work its magic. Alright, and this is what it has generated.
Don't throw me away, I can help with the dark circles under your eyes.
You know, it's a bit daft, it's a bit stupid how he's like floating and then he doesn't fall in until the end, but you know, that's just like AI stupidness. And to be honest, with the style of brainwash that we're going for, I think the fact that this doesn't make any sense of him floating and then falling in is probably gonna help the video perform even better. I think this is pretty solid.
Don't throw me away, I can help with the dark circles under your eyes.
Right, okay, so that's our first clip. Then we literally just need to delete this from our reference image here and then throw in the second clip. All I've put for this one is have the potato say, I'm a potato and my skin is super good for your face and can take years off your age. Again, enthusiastic voice, click create. And then while that one is creating, we're going to go ahead and delete this, throw ahead the one of them doing the massage. I'm actually not sure why the potato skin helps the eyes, so let's just ask ChatGPT here. How do we use the potato skin to help with eyes? Wash a raw potato properly, cut thin slices, place 1 slice on each closed eye, and leave for that's crazy. Surely people aren't doing that. Potato juice. Grate a potato with skin, squeeze out the juice using a cloth, dip cotton pads in the juice and place under your eye. Right, that's crazy. But obviously it's going to work. So if we was actually to make a full 1-minute video, I would literally just have each step being a 5-second clip. So grate a potato skin, I'd have a clip of a potato being grated and him saying you need to grate my skin, squeeze out the juice into a cloth. I'd have another clip of him squeezing out the juice into a cloth. Now I'm not going to do all of these, I'm just showing you how you actually make them. So let's just do the, you know, rubbing into the eyes with a massage clip. So I've just put, have the potato rub in the person's face and say, rub my juices under your eyes like this and leave it here for 10 to 15 minutes. Honestly, sounds a bit rogue. I'll be honest, it sounds a bit rogue, but the fact that this does sound rogue is probably gonna help it in the brain rot cause. So again, let's click create. While that creates, we can listen to the video that it generated before.
I'm a potato and my skin is super good for your face and can take years of your age.
I mean, that sounds pretty cool. It's exactly what we wanted. You know, it's just literally a static shot of the potato, you know, just giving a little bit of expo. I'd have this clip first, the hook of the trash can. I'd then go into the explanation, which is this clip here, and then I'd do the ChatGPT method of showing each of these steps, and then I'd finish it with, you know, like rubbing it on the face. That's how I would craft this full video. It is just finished generating the rubbing in one.
Rub my juices under your eyes like this and leave it here for 10 to 15 minutes. Rub my juice.
That is ridiculously good. That is exactly what we want. Once you've, you know, created all your videos and you're happy with them, literally just go over to this section here, click the remove watermark section and just click download as an MP4 with audio. And you want to do this for each section, download, remove watermark, MP4. Then genuinely all you have to do is drop them into like CapCut or something like this. You literally just make them play at each end of the clips. What I would also do is I'd add captions to the video. Now you can add captions on CapCut up here, but you know, CapCut makes you pay for captions now, which is a bit daft. If you do have Premiere Pro, you can create captions for free on there, and you can also create captions for free on the Instagram Edits app, and I believe TikTok has an option for it. But basically, there are loads of ways to create free captions. You don't have to pay for CapCut if you think this is your only option. If you already have CapCut Pro, perfect, use this, but if not, you don't have to do it. Anyways, so then if we play the video...
Don't throw me away, I can help with the dark circles under your eyes. I'm a potato.
You know, I would have it cut there so it's not like dead space. So like there's some dead space at the start and end of each clip that you could just delete. I'd also add like a little bit of music on it. The guy that we had like the 13 million views, if we go back to him,
2 tablespoons of your facial skin and you'll...
You can see he's playing like some lo-fi, some non-copyrighted music. Literally just do the same thing, lo-fi, non-copyrighted. You can even just make sure it's super quiet so you can barely hear it because you do not want it to be overpowering the actual video. But yeah, because I refuse to pay for captions on CapCut, let me just show you what they look like on Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro, you literally just go text, create captions, caption preferences, make this like 15, change that to single, click transcribe, and it's going to make us some captions. Super simple. But with captions, let's see what the video actually looks like.
Don't throw me away, I can help with the dark circles under your eyes. I'm a potato and my skin is super good for your face and can take years of your age. Rub my juices under your eyes like this and leave it here for 10 to 15 minutes.
That is genuinely really cool, and it's exactly the same style and format as what that guy with 30 million views did, and we've just cooked that up in less than 10 minutes. Like, how long did that take us? Not long at all. This is what I mean when I say this AI niche is crazy, and I think everyone should be doing it, and it's why I had to make a video on it. I've literally shown you how to create this page here, essentially a page that is getting millions of views. I'll leave a link down to OpenArt in the description if you want to try it out for yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one.